Go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Subi. She got tense. Sheesh, finally came out good. What's in the back, Cesar?
Control arms, axles, and condoms.
Condoms?
Yeah.
Yeah, should be a good day. Right at me. Straight in, right? Yep. A little more this way. There you go. Straight. Back that way. Mia's the.
What up, bitch?
I mean,
Yeah, we finished. Falling than a car. Why do you look good to work on a car?
Because I'm not going to be here that long. I'm going to that meet, bro.
You're a pussy.
I'm going to that meet. He's going an hour away, bro. Just fucking go to a meeting with no car.
Am I?
Dude,
Is it Audis?
Sick ass cars there. You see, I'm jealous. It's way more than just Audis, but.
Yo, what happened to the B7, dude?
Oh, I fucking blew a bag, and then fucking Airlift doesn't even send me a fucking shipping receipt. So then it showed up fucking Friday, and I fucking was working, and then so now I have to go pick it up from UPS on Monday.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
We fixed the bushings in the TT, and then literally after that happens, bag. So
wait, they're not open today? No, they're open, but they're not getting it till Monday. So how did you receive it at your house, but then you cannot pick it up at UPS or whatever?
dude, all shipping's been weird lately. Like, even just cheap shit has been just not dropping stuff off. If you're not there to pick it up, they're just like, F you.
You don't see the fucking button? Look on the fucking ignition. You'll have a little black.
Oh, there we go. Okay. What the fuck? That's weird. I thought it just wasn't locking right. Because the wheels were off.
Nah, so if the key's inside, let's just leave it there. You're gonna probably use it.
Fucking Mazda thing right there.
So me and Cesar are doing the big heavy lifting shit, and then those two guys in there are doing his short throw and new shifting bushings. What?
We're fucking doing shit.
Yeah.
Daddy, can you grease my balls?
How's it coming, Chase? Wait, what'd you say?
Well, he said he needs grease. I was like, can you grease my balls in there?
If we take the whole thing apart, maybe.
Oh yeah, that's how I like
How's that tape working that you were begging me for?
Perfect, what we needed.
For 20 minutes.
Shut up, Taylor.
20
This man
minutes.
said that the car will be done.
Yo,
fucking 2
insert
hours
SpongeBob,
max,
2
completely done.
hours
It's been
later.
2 hours already.
You want to know why? Because
Fucking around.
He
exactly.
said that.
Well, first off,
He
yeah,
said it.
we're screwing around a lot.
Belmo over here.
If
the
I was
Civic
listen,
9th gen.
when
said
this these bushings are done and I'm out of the car, I promise you that car will be done not even an hour.
it. Okay, you're bugging.
Nope, I'm not joking.
Not really.
4 axles. I mean,
4
2
axles.
axles.
You have 4 axles?
2 axles and fucking 2 control arms. Yeah, I don't know about that, boy.
You're just taking parts out and putting new ones in. That's easy, man. I can't believe you don't have one side done already.
Well, we waiting on you guys so we can fucking lift the bitch up.
We have to go up and put the hub on the.
Because with this man's fat ass and you over here too.
This lift can definitely take us.
No, it can, no problem. It's just they're trapped up there while we're working.
Yeah, but I don't want to put a hole in my car with.
Not gonna put a hole in the car, Cesar.
Well, Chase's fat ass is gonna fall through it.
Yo,
Okay, so you see that little mallet that you have?
So there's definitely, we've seen better ways of supporting the hub, and I saw a video where they don't even take this, take the coilover off, but Cesar insisted, so we're doing it, and it's his car.
I'm taking a break.
I don't know how-
what happened.
I don't know how.
We'll get into that later. Alright, we got it out. So this driver's side.
Careful with that, Chase. Ah, with that.
Hey, my side.
Yeah, this is the most rigged thing we've ever done. So this side doesn't have the conventional usual. I'm talking, my guy.
Cut 2. Talk.
Go ahead.
No, I don't know what you're saying.
So as you can see on this side with the half shaft for the passenger side, it's kind of dark. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like this little. I don't know. It looks like a bowl. It's a seal, but on Chase's axles, they're on both sides of it. So all you do, we put the pry bar under here and just kind of wiggle it out, and it always pops the axle out. Super easy. This side on the passenger, or on the driver's side for the Speed 3, thank you, doesn't have it. And with this clip being in here, right there, made it a lot harder than to just normally try to pump it out with that. So after a while of swearing and just being stupid and just trying to manhandle, went and got an axle popper fork. Super easy. It literally looks like a pickle fork for popping ball joints, but it's just wider. And went bing, 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 done. So, yeah. Chase, hold up the box. Yeah. You can rent these at AutoZone.
Smile for the picture.
Ready? Axle popper kit, motherfucker.
Yeah. So if you're ever doing this and you have trouble like that, then
Probably won't even need it for the other side, though.
no, we won't, because this has the lip on it.
Yeah.
Can you pass me the drill, please?
We gotta get this fucking pinch bolt in.
Pit stop.
Hey, yo, let's get this pinch bolt in.
Hey, suck my fucking dick.
All right, Chase, run down. Where are we at right now?
We did the control arms. We just torqued down these ones. We did a bing, boom, bing.
Got everything new axles.
No, it's
Wait, can we plug this ABS
This
in?
is
'Cause that's gonna
new.
bother me.
Oh yeah, shit.
You remember how we almost ripped it out?
Yeah, now I'm putting it back in. Yeah, dummy over here decided to wanted to let go of the hub, and the ABS was still plugged in. I'm like, no. All right, she's in.
Dummy. You dummy.
You got smacked in the head though? Not me.
Yeah, who smacked me? Him. I was talking to Taylor, and Cesar's holding the hub, and my head's in the fucking wheel well, and he let go of the hub and hit me in the face.
He's on strike 2. If he hits strike 3, the car's gonna be fucking coming off the lift.
That's it. We're dropping it as is.
Michael.
No wheels in the back either.
Oh my god.
Wait, that won't. We're not doing that today.
Yeah, I'm gonna go put that on real quick. What do you think?
No,
I'm
he
weak?
wants to.
Think I'm weak?
He wants to lower this, but for some reason this shit is
Your wheels are
not wanting to spin.
They're actually decently light.
So
They're not too heavy.
it looks horrible, but it's actually not as bad as it is. It's working.
Hey,
So.
take off these while you're at it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes, or I'm calling YouTube.
For what?
Monetization?
I'm not monetized yet.
Doesn't matter. I'll fuck you over. Fuck me. Oh, it's underneath this box. I got it.
Aww.
What?
I don't know. Hey, what are you banging on over there?
Push it down.
Hey, say, you need to get back to work. Stand up.
What? Gay? 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 I should look over like that. Can you get that on, dude? Fuck that one.
Oh, no, baby, you get the let that on.
Getting annoyed.
Look at that. Oh, look at that.
My hands are so greasy still.
Oh, look at mine. Greasy too.
Got my way home. Hey!
What do you? What was that?
What happened?
That wobble, bro. That's getting edited. All right, she's back on the road finally.
Finally.
You owe me. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, good looks, so I appreciate it.
Yeah, no, you're good. It's a little wide, I know. I left the camera at home just because we're gonna finish up this video on the GoPro. So, got his alignment today. Yesterday was where we left off on my lift. And he is beyond happy, and we're happy, even though that took way too fucking long.
You fucking did.
So how's it feel?
Feels good.
Feels good?
It actually feels solid now.
Yeah.
With the shifter bushings, control arms, and axle.
Solid.
That's pretty solid.
Yeah. So now I got my tiny issues ironed out, got his
finally fixed, and now we can do like an actual pull, which is what we're gonna do right now. So this is gonna be Bren Stage 2 Plus versus
Whatever this is.
E-tuned, I don't know, Stage 1 Plus, Stage 2.
So it's this call is stage 1.
All right.
A few bolts on and just doing.
And then a nice, not conservative at all, E-tune, Freektuned for a speed through. So this will be fun.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Hopefully you don't put this shift and I don't either.
Dude, the meet today, dude, been driving all around. I have not, it's been fine. So
Hopefully.
we'll see. Go. Interesting. Do one more? You aren't gonna go. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. Interesting, interesting.
Dude, you're fast. You're fucking, like, honestly, you're fast.
Oh, dude, we're like, I can't even like say like even who's faster. It is definitely way faster than OTS.
Because every time, so this is the thing. This is where I noticed where your car shines. So my car, since I have a KO4, it drops out of band, like power band, maybe like 55, 100. And then every time I would get to that range, you will literally, I would literally see you like pull up every time.
Yeah.
And then when I would shift, I would gain a little bit, but then you still be coming every time, bro.
You know, you said 55 is when it drops out?
55, 100 maybe.
So my, you know where mine drops out? Like 61.
See, for me, I have to short shift. I can't really go all the way to red line in my car.
When I was doing, when we were testing this car for the revisions, I noticed how in the remaps, they're all consistent though. It would drop out, like as soon as I would hit like red line, it would just fall on its face.
Yeah.
So
Your car definitely has balls. I think I just pull on you like maybe like 110.
you were, yeah, because we hit like, it was like a 50. I wasn't really looking because I couldn't.
So I did it because, I mean, for me, it's like, it's obvious because it's like all the way up here on my car. So that's when I start pulling like a lot on you, and I feel like that's because of the weight. That definitely has to do with the weight, right?
I think so. And my 5th and 6th gears are pretty long.
Yeah.
So I noticed that too, especially when I brake boosted, I fucking got out there. So yeah, I mean.
Said yesterday, right? Like
I didn't touch this at all even after they touched it. Wow, your clutch feels so weird.
It is light as shit.
Light as shit. Oh my god, that is short. Oh, and it's chunky. It's pretty chunky.
I like it though.
I like that. It's different than mine.
So if Chase was to touch it, he would definitely notice a difference because he was the one like going through the gears and stuff. But I noticed a huge difference in the shift.
I feel that. There's a lot of play in gear though. Huh. I like that. That's nice. That's actually like a happy medium between mine and Chase's.
That used to be really smooth before. Like,
Feel mine.
oh, your clutch is heavy as hell.
And that's light compared to what it used to be. It used to be like an anchor.
Dude, what?
As anybody that knows that has a 15 plus with a stock clutch pack in it.
That is so much heavier than mine. Oh, I like yours. Yeah, that's what you mean now.
Yeah. You feel it?
Yeah, but it's more solid though.
Yeah. I like it. With mine?
Yes, that thing is heavy compared to mine. Mine's completely way lighter than this.
Dude, it is so, the stock one is like, you have to like give her. You got to be like a linebacker to drive
I
this car.
actually like the feeling of that clutch because you feel like you actually driving a car.
Well, here's the thing. I drive this car all the time like that. I go to something like that, which is all right, let me go watch these clips, edit them in. That was fun. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, happy. He's happy.
I almost do not have to tell anyone about what the outcome is. I'm like, yeah, we'll watch a vlog.
This man's smart. All right, that's that. Finally did a solid race. We're gonna try to see if we can get a better spot that's like more flat and straight, because that was good, but it was kind of, the elevations changed, so it was weird. But yeah, his car is all good. We're all happy. He's finally gonna come back out more and make an appearance, because he was always on and off because of the car, but it's finally mint. So see you guys next time.